Good morning, John. I am Mike.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I am doing fine, thank you.
How was the traffic coming over here?
I am so glad that the traffic was light this morning. No traffic jam and no accidents.
That is good. John, let's start the interview. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
First of all, let me properly introduce myself. I am the Finance Department Manager. As you know, there is an open position in my department, and I need to fill this position as soon as possible.
Please tell me a little bit about the position.
It is an entry level position. The new employee will have to work closely with the accounting department. He will also have to deal with the bank on a daily basis.
What type of qualifications do you require?
I require a 4-year college degree in finance. Some working experience would be helpful.
What kind of experience are you looking for?
Doing office work is good. However, since this is an entry level position, I do not require a lot of experience. I am willing to train the new person.
That is great.
John, tell me a little bit about yourself.
I was a student at West Coast University and I just graduated with a bachelor degree in finance. I have been working part-time as a payroll clerk for the last 2 years.
What are you looking for in a job?
The job should be help me see what finance is all about. I have learned a lot of finance theories at school and now it is time for me to put them into practice.
Anything else?
I also hope that it will help me grow in my field.
What are your strengths? Why should I hire you?
I am a hardworking person and a fast learner. I am very eager to learn and I get along fine with people.
Okay. Now let me ask you a few quick questions. You do not mind working long hours, do you?
No, I do not.
Can you handle pressure?
Yes, I can. When I was going to school, I took quite a few courses each semester while working at least 20 hours every week, and I handled that situation very well.
Do you still have any questions for me?
No, I think I have a pretty good understanding of the job. I believe that I can handle it with ease, and I hope to have the opportunity to work for you.
John, nice meeting you. Thank you for coming.
Nice meeting you too. Thank you for seeing me.